All right, y'all, so this is the finished look of this unit and how I will be liking it. So this is not the same day that I recorded everything else. Unfortunately, the clips did not save on my camera, so I had to redo this. So this is like a couple days later, but this is the finished look of this unit. Literally, I just had to throw it back on to show you guys because it's a glueless wig. So let's get into the specs of the unit that we have on. Today I have on a wig from TikTok Shop, and this is from the brand u&ahair. Now this is a glueless synthetic wig, and it does have layers as well. You can't really see them, so they're like light layers. Now this wig is also in a natural black color. Now this is a 9x7 lace front wig. It does come pre-plucked and it does come pre-cut as well, so there's not really much that you have to do with this unit when you get it. It is very natural and realistic. As soon as you put it on, you're gonna notice that it just blends in with your skin. Now this is a synthetic wig, so I will be mindful of the heat that you put on it as well. I had my flat iron on 390 degrees and I had my hot comb, I believe, on the setting 15. Now even though it's a 9x7 lace wig, you still have room to do other styles as well, so you don't have to just wear it as a middle part. You can do a side part and you can add different things here if you would like to. Overall, this wig gets a 10 out of 10 for me. It is a very good wig. It is very soft to touch. I did not experience any shedding with this unit as well, so that's really good. But just be mindful that it is in synthetic wig, so you can experience shedding. Now this is very good quality for a synthetic wig. It is very soft to touch and it's not hard to manage. I did not experience any tangles as well. It's been a very easy ride with this unit wearing it. I'm just in love with the lace because it has tiny knots, so you can't even tell that this is a synthetic wig. But yeah, if you guys are interested in this unit, I am going to be linking it down below for you in my description box, so look out for that. As always, thank you so much for tuning into my video. I really do appreciate you. Make sure you give this video a like as well, and if you're not a subscriber, make sure you do subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.